Hello, this is Sonia from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. We are starting our new memory verses this week, and it is all about waiting upon the Lord. So our first verse is Psalm 46 verse 10. I know the word waiting is not in it, but be still and know that I'm God. I'll be exalted among the nations. I'll be exalted in the earth. It's a way of waiting upon the Lord, just knowing, be still, and knowing that God is in control. So this is our first verse we are going to memorize this week. So if you're new here, this is the verse you're going to concentrate on the daily basis for the next 7 days. So we're going to put it behind daily. Our old daily verse, if you've joined us before, we're going to move into even. So with other words, you're going to practice that on the even days, the second, fourth, and so forth. Your old even verse, you're going to move into the odd section. So you're going to practice that on the odd days, like third, fifth, and so forth. And your old odd verse, you're going to move into the weekly section. I think last time we did Friday. So we're going to do Saturday now. Is it Saturday? Yeah, Saturday. You can put it behind Saturday. You can choose any day of the week, but I just try to go back and forth. And then our old Saturday verse, we're going to move into the monthly section. I obviously have memorized many verses over the last few years, so I've got lots of verses to revise every day behind that section. So I'm just always looking for one which got less. So at this point it's the 19th, so I'm going to put it behind the 19th. So when it gets to the 19th, I'm going to revise this verse. But I've revised this verse now many times during the last few weeks, doing this system. So yeah, I hope that makes sense to you, and I hope it goes well. So I'm going to practice it. If you haven't picked up this memory verse box, it's a free memory verse starter bundle, which you can make yourself a book like this. You've got practice sheets that looks like that. You can put it in a book, and you can practice and revise your memory verses. So yeah, everything is linked below, and you must have a very, very blessed week, and I'll talk to you soon again. Bye bye.